I started out a long time ago as a painter, but I worked for a company called Lundgren Brothers Remodeling, and it was one of the best jobs I've ever had in my life. And coming full circle, working at Hoffman is better yet. It's a similar kind of loyalty and family networking and the kind of team help you get all the time. And to have that again is just really cool. It's important, I think, to ask questions. And the more kinds of questions you can have for them, the better, because it's really going to get them involved in the process right away. And one of the things that I tell customers immediately is, my job is to facilitate what's in your head. Old school is just how long have you been at it? I did a lot of design work and I drew by hand. And part of that is I like to have my hands, on the paper, smearing the graphite around, erasing it around. And that's kind of how my brain works, and learns and remembers. I'm an idealist to a fault. That's just the kind of way I am. I think when I was young, it had a little bit to do with perfectionism. Then later on, you learn that, that's not a good idea. That if you're going to have a kind of a spiritual sense about you, it should be imperfection, not perfection. That's really, I think, what the human experience is. And being humble, working with people humbly, but confidently. I need to share when asked, what are some of the answers? What do they think I think? And I appreciate that. You could really have some ideas and go make them happen, realize them. So that's kind of who I was just very much pursuing, a lot of ideas, a lot of dreams that I had, and going after it.